Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these two hairstyles on Dress to Impress. So the first one, I'm just going to select this hair in the no bangs, and I'm just going to color it black. Then we're going to select bangs, and we're going to select this one, and we're going to color it black as well. And then we're going to get the bob in the color black, and this is for the, is it called the hime cut? I actually don't know how to pronounce it properly. Get the bob cut and color it the same. You can color it to whatever color you want, but as you can see from the side, it looks like a hime cut. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but then we are going to get this, we're going to create a wolf cut basically. So to do that, I'm going to select this hair cut and color it black. You can color it to whatever color you want, of course. Let's just do brown for the difference, I guess. Then select this hair and then color that brown as well. And then we are going to select this hair and we're going to color that brown, or color to whatever color you want. Lastly, go to the masculine section and then select this hair in brown. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.